How to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. And if you wish to unlink Facebook to Instagram, then let's get started. First of all, open Instagram and sign in. Tap profile icon at bottom right of the screen. On your profile, tap three-line icon at top right corner. And then you need to head towards the account center at top of your screen. At the top, you can easily see the accounts and profiles linked together. Tap on Profiles. If you have any Facebook account connected, you need to simply select the Facebook profile linked to your account. Tap on it, and here you simply need to choose your Facebook account. After that, if you have synced profile info, simply you need to turn it off. Now come back. Then you need to scroll to the bottom of your screen and then tap on Accounts at bottom to review the accounts that you have in this account center. Afterward, tap on the Move button and then you simply need to tap on Continue to move. Tap on Continue and this Facebook account will lose access to this and other connected experiences. Tap on Yes and you have successfully moved your Facebook account out of this account center. Now you no longer have your Facebook account connected to Instagram. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.